Oh my god. What the hell is that? What the hell is that?
ワントゥードライブトヨタです。
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be installing some Mark 5. Oh my god, what am I saying? Today we will be installing some deflectors on the Mark 5 Golf. Not only is it like sick, they actually do something, which what do they do? They deflect air. Yeah. I'm praying it's gonna be an easy install, unlike last time. And I'm really hoping I don't end up breaking anything. If that happens, my mate, if that happens, let's go get the water. Okay, so here we've got the wind deflectors. First impressions, oh my days, the box is massive. Like, do you have to make the box this big just for wind deflectors? Anyways, yeah, let's get this open, see what's inside. Okay, so we've opened the package, and my gosh, these are so big. Like, you see, when it's not in my car, yeah, things appear like so much bigger or smaller, don't know which word to use. Anyways, yeah, here we've got the wind deflectors. They're packaged quite nicely. Like, the first thing I noticed, see those things over there, they kind of look like hockey pucks. Like, just let me show you, what I mean. Wind deflectors, we've got the clips over there. Yeah, clips over there. I mean, again, first impressions, the front wind deflectors, they look like hockey pucks. Yeah, that's about it. And just so you guys know, some things you will be needing is any sort of spray, a cloth, flathead screwdriver. I've got some wipes behind over there, because we are going to have to be cleaning the borders of the windows, whatever those things are called. So yeah, hopefully. First, I'm gonna open the doors, open all the windows, front, back, left, whatever. So yeah. Oh man, I'm gonna turn the car on. Wait, do you have to turn it on? Okay, so I don't have to turn it on. So yeah. Let's turn it on.
Play with fire my whole life, and I pray I don't get burned for it. Grew up in these streets, now a nigga trying to turn from them. Trying to walk the straight path and stay stern on it. Still appreciate the streets and what I learned from them. And I'm just trying to dodge the punishment. Hellfire, it get hotter than an oven mitt. First thing I had to switch was who I'm running with. It'd be hard to leave the trap when you feel stuck in it. But alhamdulillah, because I made it out. I was chasing the dunya.
Okay, so now all of that's done. Now we just need to apparently clean all of these edges. Like, I'm pretty sure, yeah, you can see what the dirt is. Yeah. So yeah, we need to clean all of that gross stuff, and should be good to go. Be specific. You guys want to make sure you see here's literally the edge of the window. Then here, you want to clean like. I really want to try to show you guys because I cannot find this on YouTube. Here. Like right in between that thing over there, yeah, and yeah, in between here as well, where you got the plastic cover and the interior, right in between there, and then yeah, I don't know. Oh, that's it. What the? Okay, so. You just need to squeeze your fingers in between. It's kind of painful, but ow, it's alright. Oh my god. Oh my days, man. That's like, look, smell that. Yeah, I need help. Okay, no, seriously, what the hell is that? Okay, so I just realized for some reason I started cleaning this part I've literally got no idea why I done that, because literally the wind deflector sits like on top of the car. So yeah, don't. I mean, if you want, you saw how dirty it was over there. So if you want to keep the car clean, go ahead. But you don't actually need to clean it over here, because it's not even gonna involve this part. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna dry the top part with a towel, and hopefully we can start fitting it on. Once you've done all of that, what you can do, you can just leave it to dry for like I don't know, an hour or so. I've done that off camera. I've let it dry on I've let it dry on all the corners. So yeah, now we're gonna test fit it, see how it looks like, and then yeah, we will go from there. So first, what you want to do, you want to put it in this corner first, just like that. So we're just gonna take these stickers off, just like that. They're not very sticky, but yeah. There's another one on this corner. Just take it out. Take it out. There you go. And yeah, now all we're gonna do is put it on the car. Okay, so once it's on the car, you just where the parts are, just make sure you like push against it, so like it actually sticks in the window frame, including this side. Just a sticky bit here. Yeah. Guys, before we continue, oh my god, it looks so good. I swear down, every single car should have these from factory. I mean, look at that. It just completes the car. It just completes the window frame, the upper section of the car, you know. I'm so happy with these. How much did these cost me? Like £29. And honestly, I think they're worth it. They look great. They actually do something. They're functional. So yeah, now I want to get the clips and clip these on. Okay, so we've now put the wind deflectors on both sides of the car. I've done the other side off camera. So yeah, we've only got one more thing to do now. These clips, yeah, the scary part of the job apparently. So yeah, let's get this opened and see what we're dealing with here. Okay, so there are some instructions here. I'm guessing that's the wind deflector. That's the actual window frame. And from what I've heard, this metal spike, whatever it's called, you want that to be facing inwards towards the car, and the smooth part to be facing the wind deflector, because yeah, you don't want the sharp thing to be like facing the wind deflector. You're probably gonna end up cracking it, or you know, scratching it. So yeah. Oh, and another thing, let me just grab it. You want to make sure you've got one of these. What is it? A flat screwdriver? Yeah, this one's shit. This is really bad. I couldn't find my personal one. Yeah, I probably lost it. So what you're gonna do with this, you're gonna like you are literally just gonna like shove it in between the window frame and the wind deflector. So yeah, let's do it. So what you wanna do, grab yourself one of these. Make sure this spiky thing is pointing towards you. The smooth part is pointing like outwards. Yeah, so the places I suggest where you put these is one here, because there's no sticky tape there, and one here because it does tend to get caught when you roll the window up sometimes. So yeah, put one there and one there, in my opinion. So yeah, let's get this on. Okay, be a screwdriver, pop it in there, get it in towards the corner, and you literally just push it in there. It is really that easy. You see, if you ever look closely, well, you can't even see it. There you go. Right there. What I done, got the screwdriver, pushed it in there. So yeah, got one there. Now you want to put, oh crap. So now we're just going to do the rear windows now. And yeah, make sure it's all cleaned, whatnot, dried, make sure there's still not wet. So yeah, get your wind deflector. You should have 3 double-sided tape, one there, one there, one there. And one thing to point out, it is this way. You will notice the 𝗖𝗍𝗂 logo is there. It's not going to be on this side, so just keep that in mind, because I actually nearly put the wrong one on the wrong side. So yeah, let's get this tape off and get it stuck on the car.
Look at how far we done came just to shine, had to get through the rain. Look at how far we done came, Was you hanging? I ain't heard what you say. Look at how far we done came. Spin the globe, now we fly like a plane. Yeah, yeah. Always remember from where I came. I ain't never gonna switch out the fame. Gotta do this for my family.
So we finished pushing all the side skirts in, set everything up, put all the clamps in. Now we're just gonna have to wait around 24 hours for it to set, according to the website and other tutorials. So yeah, honestly, it costs what, £29. I would say it's the best £29 I've ever spent. It looks brilliant. It actually does something. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share. Oh yeah, and do let me know in the comments what mods you'd like to see me do to the car. I've got a few in mind, but yeah, I'd really like to hear your thoughts on what I should do. So yeah, thanks for watching. Until next time, peace.
That just keep me smiling. Look at how far we done came just to shine, had to get through the rain. Look at how far we done came. Was you hanging? I ain't heard what you say. Look at how far we done came. Spin the globe, now we fly like a plane. Yeah, yeah. Always remember from where I came. I ain't never gonna switch out the fame. All this money in the world can never keep you breathing. Came into this life alone, no different than the way I'm leaving. If I die before I wake, I only pray Allah is pleased with. These times is not the same, so much it changes like the seasons. Sometimes we fall, our hearts get colder than the winter time, but still we gonna bounce back like a spring till we summer shine. Never really had a choice.